Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on your YouTube channel. It's really easy to do. Let's get started. Alright, here we are over on my channel. Now if you scroll down you can see these different playlists that I have: tutorials, cryptocurrency, video production basics, informational. So I'm going to show you how to create one of these and also how you can move them around to better position them and maybe put your top playlist up top here, or however you want to position them. So what we want to do is we want to come over here to Customize Channel, click on that, and then once on this screen we want to go to Playlists. And now you can see all the playlists that I have. Now come up here to New Playlist, pretty easy. Click on that. And now let's give this playlist a title. I'm just going to call it Test Playlist. And then you can decide if you want the playlist to be public, unlisted, or private. Now I'll click Create. And now we're taken to this screen, and there's nothing in our playlist yet. So we need to add videos to it. So come here to Edit. And now we can add videos. Come over here to Add Videos. And now here you can add whatever videos that you want. They don't necessarily have to be your videos. You can add playlists from your favorite videos. But I always do playlists of my own videos. So come here to Your YouTube Videos. And then you can just click these. I'll just click this one, maybe this one, that one, this one. So you can add whatever ones that you want. Click Add Videos down here. And they will show up here in your playlist. And now what you can do is you can also come in here and rearrange these videos. Let's say I want this video to be at the top. I can go to More, move to Top, and this video I want to be on the bottom, move to Bottom. Let's say I want this video to be at the top, but I don't want the thumbnail to be that. I want the thumbnail to be something else. I want the thumbnail to probably be this one. Let's set this as Playlist Thumbnail. So that is now the thumbnail, even though that video is not at the top. So pretty simple. And now if we go back to our main screen here, and then come down here to Playlists, you can see the test playlist right here. Now if we go back, we can see it over here on the left-hand column here, but if we scroll down, I can't see it down here. And that's because I have too many playlists already down here. There's only a certain amount that can show up here on your channel, on the home page of your channel. So we need to maybe get rid of one of these and replace it with that one. So what we'll do is we'll go over here again to Customize Channel. And then down here, we want to get rid of one of these. Now if you don't have any there, then it will be really easy. So I'm just going to take this Class Projects one, click on this little button here, and I'm going to change it. Instead of deleting it, I'm just going to change it to my new one. So just scroll down to find it. Test Playlist right here. And there it changed. Hit Done. And there it is right there at the bottom. And now if I want to reorder this, I can click on this and move it up to wherever I want it to be. Like if I wanted this playlist to be at the top, I can just move it up. And now it's right here at the top. Pretty awesome. There you go. That is how you make a playlist on your YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Until next time, take care, everyone.